So we are learning coordinate geometry, and in this video, we are gonna learn the concept of quadrant, and then also how to plot numbers. There are 5 numbers: A, B, C, D, and O, and we are gonna plot. We are gonna place these points on these Cartesian planes. Cartesian plane. So yeah, let's get right into it. First of all, A. When you plot a point, you see 4, 2, then we usually do horizontal first. So horizontal line, this is called x-axis, and vertical one is called y-axis. And the first number is 4. This is 4x. So we are gonna find 4 on this horizontal line x-axis. Is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is here. And then vertically, we should go 2 steps up. So 1 step up and 2 step up. Then here you get A. Coordinates are 4, 2. Yep. So everything is good. So next one could be a little bit tricky, is -2. Yeah, just because it has a negative number, -2. How do we do this? We still do the horizontal one first. So we are going to go 2 to the left, 2 steps to the left. Unlike these 4 here, we did this 4. So we went 4 steps to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, from this origin. But this time, we are going left by 2. 1 and 2. Then here, you get -2, 0. Now, we are not done yet. We still have y value, which is 1. So that basically means we have 1 step up this side. Yeah, I think this is fine. So here we have b -2, 1. Yep. And next one is -3, -2. So horizontal first, 1, 2, 3. Then -3, 0 is here. Now y value is negative this time. So that basically means we have to go down by 2. So here we have my -3, -2. So next one is, now we are back to positive. I mean, when it comes to this x value. So we know where this 4, 0 is, and -1, basically we have to go down by 1. So just 1. Yep, here I think. Then we have 4 - 1 named D. Yeah. And then O is just origin. I actually already write origin here. I mentioned that this point is the most important point because it's kind of the start line when you run a marathon or like race or something. So yeah, this is how to plot points. Now, another concept that I want to mention is quadrants. It's here. Yeah, it's still here. These two axes, x-axis and this x-axis and x-axis and y-axis. Those two axes actually cut the plane into 4 sections. If you can see here, 1 section here, and 2, 3, 4. So that's why we call these areas quadrants. quadrant. Quadrant. Okay, so we are gonna name this one first quadrant. Yeah, first quadrant. This is the first one. And then this is the second one. So it goes anti-clockwise. They go anti-clockwise, starting from top right here, 1, 2, and here, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. There's something that I want to mention at this point. When it comes to quadrant, each quadrant has its own sign pattern, combination of signs. Let's have a look at this first quadrant here. Then, when you think about the values, the coordinates, x and y, then you can see they both are positive. Just because if you go to the right side from the origin, let's say like you go like 3 steps to the right, or like 2 step, 1 step, 100 step, that basically mean the x value is positive. And then if you go up here, that's how you get to the first quadrant. And then that means y value and x value, they both are positive. So that's why I drew this one here. And then second quadrant is you have to go to the left side. So that basically means on the horizontal line, you have to go to the negative side, going here. So here you have negative x value and positive x value. If you pick any point on the second quadrant, then x value is negative and y value is positive. Yeah, same goes for like third quadrant. Yeah, you have to go to the left side and then go down. Fourth quadrant, you go to the right side and then go down. Then so positive and negative. So this is an important concept when it comes to coordinate geometry. Yeah. And then I forgot to mention there are points on axes. Let's say x-axis. There could be like some points on x-axis. Same goes for y-axis as well. These points are not in any quadrant. They are on the boundary. The axes themselves don't belong to a quadrant. So let's say, including origin, if you go 1 to the right from the origin, then you get 1, 0. If you go 1 more, obviously then you get 2, 0. Then what about going up from the origin? I don't have enough space. Maybe here. If you go 1 step up, then you get 0, 1. One more, 0, 2. What about going down then? 0, minus 1, 0, minus 2. Yeah, these points are not on any quadrant. There's something that you should know. They are kind of special. They have 0. And if, the point is on the x-axis, then the y value, is 0. It could be confusing at first, but we are gonna keep practicing. So, hopefully it will get better.